Okay, so let's continue the presentation. Letter C. It led to vaccines and treatments. So his work inspired the development of vaccines, which are examples, the rabies, the anthrax, and laid the foundation for modern immunology. Letter D. It improved public health. So germ theory explained why epidemics spread, leading to cleaner hospitals, safer surgeries, and prevention strategies. The germ theory was revolutionary because it transformed medicine from guesswork to science, giving doctors and scientists a clear, evidence based understanding of how diseases start and how they can be prevented. Number three, challenge question. How do Pasteur's contributions still affect our daily lives today? Okay, the answer. Louis Pasteur's discoveries continue to shape modern life in many ways. Letter A. Pasteurization. The process of heating milk, juices, and other foods to kill harmful bacteria is named after him. This makes the food and drinks we consume daily safer. Letter B. Vaccines. His work on vaccines, rabies, anthrax, laid the foundation for modern vaccination programs that protect us today and from diseases like measles, polio, and COVID-19. Letter C. Hygiene and sanitation. Because of the germ theory, we know the importance of hand washing, sterilization of medical tools, and disinfecting surfaces to prevent infections. Letter D. Modern medicine. Hospitals use his principles of controlling germs to keep surgery safe and reduce infections. And letter E in the public health. His work still guides how governments fight epidemics and maintain food and water security. Pasteur's contributions affect us daily by keeping our food safe, preventing deadly diseases through vaccines, and guiding health practices that save millions of lives. Number 4. What values can we learn from Pasteur's dedication to science? That's challenge question number 4. Answer. Louis Pasteur's life and scientific achievements teach us values that go beyond the laboratory. His story reminds us that the pursuit of knowledge is not only about discoveries, but also about character. Letter A. Perseverance and hard work. Pasteur did not stop when he faced failures or criticisms. His determination to continue experimenting until he found answers shows the importance of patience and persistence in reaching success. Letter C. Commitment to public service. Pasture work Pasture worked not only for personal recognition but also to solve real-life problems such as preventing deadly diseases. His work shows the value of using science to serve humanity. Letter D. Humility and collaboration. Even as a respected scientist, Pasteur acknowledged the contribution of others and worked with fellow researchers. This shows the importance of teamwork and respect for others' ideas. Letter E. Integrity and honesty in science. He valued truth and evidence. He relied on experiments and facts, not assumptions, which reminds us that honesty is a foundation of scientific progress. Key takeaway for learners. Louis Pasteur's life shows us that values such as perseverance, curiosity, service to others, collaboration, and integrity are as important as knowledge. These values can guide not only future scientists but also anyone striving to contribute meaningfully to society. MCQ for Chem Lesson 1: Historical Background, the Life and Scientific Contributions of Louis Pasteur. Question number 1. Louis Pasteur was born in which country? A. Germany. B. France. C. Italy. D. Switzerland. Number 2. Pasteur initially studied which field before making contributions to biology? A. Physics. B. Chemistry. C. Medicine. D. Agriculture. Number 3. Pasteur's discovery about microorganisms disproved which long-held belief? Letter A. The atomic theory. Letter B. Theory of evolution. C. Spontaneous generation. D. Law of definite proportions. Number 4. What important process did Pasteur develop to prevent spoilage of milk and wine? Letter A. Fermentation. Letter B. Sterilization. C. Pasteurization. D. Germination. Number 5. The germ theory of disease states that A. Diseases are caused by bad air. Letter B. Diseases are caused by imbalance of body fluids. Letter C. Diseases are caused by microorganisms. Letter D. Diseases are caused by toxins in the environment. Number 6. Pasteur created the first vaccines for which two diseases? Letter A. Malaria and cholera. Letter B. Smallpox and polio. Letter C. Rabies and anthrax. Letter D. Tuberculosis and influenza. Number 7. Pasteur's work in fermentation proved that A. Only oxygen causes fermentation. Letter B. Microorganisms are responsible for fermentation. Letter C. Heat alone causes fermentation. Letter D. Fermentation is a purely chemical process. Number 8. What value can students learn from Pasteur's persistence in his research? Letter A, laziness. B, dedication. C, dishonesty. There is no letter D in our slides. Number 8. There is number 8. Letter D now is selfishness. Okay, number 9. Pasteur's experiments with the swan neck flask are significant because they A. Prove that atoms exist. B. Show that air is composed of gases. Letter C. Disprove spontaneous generation. Letter D. Demonstrated that fire kills germs. Number 10. Which of the following best describes Pasteur's contributions to modern medicine? A. He invented antibiotics. Letter B. Established the role of microorganisms in disease. C. He created surgery techniques. D. He discovered X-rays. Number 11. Pasteur's vaccine against rabies was first successfully tested on A. Dogs. B. Horses. C. Chicken. D. Humans. Number 12. How did Pasteur's discoveries impact public health? A. They promoted ancient medical practices. B. They made medicine more expensive. C. They led to to prevention of diseases through vaccination and hygiene. D. They eliminated all diseases completely. Number 13. Pasteur's legacy is remembered because he, letter A, worked only in chemistry. B. Bridged the fields of chemistry and biology. C. Focused only on agriculture. Letter D. Was known mainly as a politician. Number 14. Which of these is an example of Pasteur's principle is still applied today? Letter A. Washing hands before eating. B. Belief in spontaneous generation. C. Use of leeches in medicine. D. Bloodletting as treatment. Number 15. Which of the following values is not associated with Pasteur's scientific journey? Letter A. Curiosity. B. Perseverance. C. Integrity. D. Carelessness. The answer key for Chem Lesson 1, please proceed to Chemistry Lesson number 2. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye. Thank you, everyone.